I'm going to teach you how to tap using the general recipe of EFT. EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique and is often referred to as tapping. It's a combination of psychology and acupressure. We verbally address something that's bothering us while tapping on acupressure points in order to clear it out of our nervous system. So let's decide what we'd like to tap on. We're going to identify something personal to us, a physical pain, anxiety, stress, whatever it is for you that's true. Next, we give it a number between 1 and 10. 10 is this is super annoying and excruciating pain. 1 is this is mild, not a big deal. Good. And now we're going to begin tapping on the karate chop point. Just relax and breathe. You'll follow along. You can use either hand. And we use a setup phrase. We address the pain point and then join love or acceptance with it in order for it to come up and be cleared out of our nervous system on a physiological level. Because oftentimes it's the things that we resist that continue to persist, right? So this takes care of it on a very deep level. It's super effective and it's very loving. So using the setup phrase, even though I have this stress, and you make it personal to you, I honor and accept how I feel. Let's take a breath. Relax your shoulders and your jaw as you exhale. Even though I have this stress, I love and appreciate who I am. Allow the long exhales, release your shoulders and your jaw. Even though I have this stress, I honor and accept how I feel. Relax your shoulders and your jaw. Right at the start of your eyebrow, this stress. Your exhales release stress, tension, and toxins out of the body. Your inhales bring in new life, new energy. Side of the eye, this stress. Underneath the eye, this stress. Relax your shoulders and your jaw. Beneath the nose, this stress. The chin point, this stress. The collarbone point, this stress. You can use one or both hands and just go right beneath your collarbone points and feel free to cover a little ground because it feels good. Underneath the arm, a few inches down, if you wear a bra, it's where the bra strap line is. This stress. Top of the head, this stress. And just relax and notice how you feel. And check in with that number. Has it gone down? Then we check in with how we're feeling and notice what's shifted or what's come up for us. And we continue to tap through more rounds together until we feel the relief that we desire. Now you know how to tap. My name is Nikki Caster, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.